Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video for the Puppy Party Stamps and Dies. This is an adorable stamp and die set. It features a 8 by 2 inch slimline row of puppies. It is a 4 by 11 stamp set. It has 17 pieces, including this long row of puppies and several supporting images. We also have a single puppy, and the single puppy measures 1.6 by 1.8 inches. There are coordinating dies for all of the images and for each of the sentiments. There are even coordinating dies for the balloon strings. How awesome is that? I stamped out all of the images and the sentiments, and then I colored them with Copic markers and die cut them. There are so many ways you can personalize these to be like your own dog, or for all kinds of fantastic colors and combinations. I know you're going to have as much fun coloring these puppies as I did. And all of these fun party elements will make these puppies turn into some gorgeous puppy party birthday cards. And what do you think of those punny sentiments? Now you get to take a peek at some of the design team's projects. This one was me. This one was done by Lisa Mears. And then we have one by Jenny Hall and one by Jeannie Lou. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please take a moment to do that now. And check that description box for links for these products. Here are a couple more videos we thought you might enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.